Welcome back, All Things Outdoors Ohio. It's the week after deer season. The dogs got a week off. I was able to get out here, get off work, and get the dogs running. So we'll see how the day goes. Probably gonna be sitting pretty tight. I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's a little bit of snow going behind us. That's the first snow of the year. So hopefully the dogs can hunt a little slower and find where the rabbits are sitting, because I'm sure they're gonna be a little tight today. But I got a feeling it's gonna be a pretty decent day. Get the dogs some miles in, maybe get a couple shots. And we'll see how the day goes. Stay tuned. Natty. Oh boy. Good dogs. Dad, good dogs. Good dogs, good dogs. Well, there's the first run. Brocky got his second of the year. Good shot right there. Dogs took that in the open field. Kind of struggled there for a minute. They were good in the thick stuff and kind of struggled there once it got into the field, but they ended up picking it up and Brock made a good shot on it. It's obviously a pretty tiny rabbit. I mean, probably last litter or second to last litter. But it's first rabbit. Brock made a good shot, like I said. So we'll keep going. A little snowy, as you can kind of tell, but first snow of the year. We'll see how the day goes. Hopefully it goes pretty good. They're probably sitting pretty tight, so we're going to have to hunt a little slower. But that boy Brock, his second of the year. We'll see if we can't get another one. And just like that, we just got here settled in and jumped another one. Yeah, best right here. That's a good. Right there, right there. Oh, there's rabbit number 3. That last run took roughly 2 hours. But I actually jumped this one, so we'll see how this one goes. Hold on. It's hurt. It's hurt. It's right here. They got it. They got it. I just heard it squeal. I just heard it squeal. Right here. Good boy. Bring her here. Good dogs. Good dogs. Boy, bring it here. Bring it here, bud. Good boy. Out. Out, bud. Good boy. Easy. Well, after Brock learned to get his gun off his shoulder, he was finally able to shoot another one. And that rabbit, I actually jumped. So that was that 3rd one. And as you seen there, Bud actually retrieved it. Brock hit it a little farther back, so it was kind of wounded. The dogs caught up to it, and I tried to catch up to the dogs before they really got a hold of it, because I wasn't real sure what was going to happen. But they brought it. Bud and Lucy kind of double teamed it and brought it right to me, and that was awesome. That was pretty cool. That's the first time he's really done a retrieve like that. And it's good to know that dogs are smart enough not to chew it up. But that's Brock's 2nd of the day, 3rd run. The dogs actually just jumped another one, so that's number 4. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get another shot on that one. Atta boy, Brocky. Yo. Well, that wraps up today. Believe it or not, dogs actually had 11 and a quarter, almost 11.5 mile. We only ran 4 rabbits, but 2 of them were 2 hours long. And there's nothing really we could have done about it, because one just kept sneaking in between us. And obviously, Brock learned a lesson to never put his gun on his shoulder, because that rabbit ran right there in front of him. So, yeah, that's 4 rabbits. 2 killed. Brock got 2 today, so that makes 3 on the year for him. Dogs ran really, really, really well. I mean, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get too much footage just because it was so rainy and crappy all day. But the dogs ran really, really, really well for not being out for a week. Dad took them out for a couple hours the other day, but today was the first real time they've been out for a while, and they killed it. Every rabbit ran really well. They had a couple longer checks, but they picked it up and they hammered it. And we just couldn't get a shot, really. Should have probably killed 3 today. The last one just ran and all the thick stuff. There's nothing we could have really done about it, but the dogs were pounding it. So overall, really good day for the dogs. Like I said, I only ran 4, but 2 of them were over 2 hours long. And no, I didn't get too much great footage on here of the dogs, and I didn't really pull my phone out too many times because it was raining the whole time, but I got what I got, and it's a pretty decent video, so that's where we'll end it. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah, yeah.